have a look at it with me. What we're doing is, I'm going to get rid of this wrong graph now, is you treat this polygon as your starting point. So we're going to do this in reverse, okay? Black, right. So because I haven't got one of these ones drawn up, I'm just going to go off of this one and illustrate it, okay? Even though you already know what all the numbers are, you can see what the process is. Okay, there we go. You've got all of your cumulative frequency graphs there, that's fantastic. So when we have this, how do we go backwards? This is what you're being asked to construct. And you can see, for example, on the right-hand side there, this table is just an example of one that corresponds to the first graph. When you have a look at the next graph, see how these these values down the bottom, they don't match up. So you'll have to pick your own values, okay? So when I see this graph, if this is the one I saw, I look at these and I see, okay, I've got groups happening. So that's where I draw this, okay? No interpretation really required, okay? Now then, where do I go from there? Well, I can read these cumulative frequencies off. I know I don't have a grid here, but you've got a grid on these, right? So you're going to look for the values that correspond to the different classes, right? So I'll look and I'll say, oh, through my excellent estimation skills, I think that's about 3, you know, because I'm just super accurate drawing, right? And then I think this is about 21, and I think this is about, what was it 68? Yeah. Something like that. Okay, so I'm going to fill out all of these, okay? Now, once I do complete that data, how do we go backwards? 100, 114, 120. Okay, so before we added, so this time I'm going to minus, right? How many people are in this top group? It'll be 120 minus 114, 6. Okay. How many people are in this group? 114 minus 114, you get the idea, and we're going to climb back up the ladder. Okay, there you go. Ta-da! That's it. That was all you had to do. So you're going to read it, you're going to look for these values, and then you're going to do the cumulative frequency process in reverse, subtraction, to get to there. Does that make sense? Cool. All right, excellent.